Now, vein prep is very important. Some manufacturers will specify that you need to use a primer pen. This specific one is from AAE. I know TAC also uses them. With these Easton Bully veins that I'm running right here, I would recommend using them. It just seems to help a little bit. I don't know that it's definitely necessary, but it doesn't hurt. This is not a gimmick. One of the most common messages I get on the Knights of the Apex Instagram is, hey AJ, my veins are not sticking, they're peeling up the next day. Everything seems good when I glue them on, but then I go to shoot and I notice that my corners or my edges are all peeling up. 9 times out of 10, they're running a vein that you're supposed to use a primer pen on and didn't. Now, I know I'm guilty of this in the past as well. I thought it was a gimmick and I was like, no way. I've experimented with a lot of different veins, using and not using the primer pen. Just use the primer pen. If your manufacturer says it, spend the extra $5, get the primer pen, use it. It's not a gimmick. Your veins will stick better.